Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we got this Hyundai i10. It has 70 horsepower, 100 Newton meters of torque. It's an automatic car. And today we're gonna test drive this car in this beautiful weather. Let's get in. It's a very nice city car. As you can see, it's automatically, everything is very simple. You got the screen wiper or the blinkers, screen wiper, radio, climate control, dashboard, very simple. Automatic windows. It's a very compact car. I think this is a pretty good first car for someone. Big steering wheel, it's very nice. You got also the different options for this poke. You got park, rear, normal, neutral, drive. The 2 and the L is for if you climb a hill, that it could easily go up, because they will put you in the third gear already. And at the bottom here you have a button, and you can push that. What will happen is, as you can see it here, it's AD off, so it will be longer in the gear than normal. If you put it off, it will be switched to a next gear at 3000 RPM, and now it will be pushed a little bit harder. So I think it's a sport modus thing, I guess, but yeah, it's not fun in this car. I've also made a review on this car. If you want to see that, click on my channel and search for the Hyundai i10 review. I will explain everything, the engine bay, the sitting comfort. I will explain everything in that video, so make sure you check that out. You could also get this car in with more options, as likely the windows in the back and the automatic for this instead of this one. Also the for here. But yeah, it's pretty nice. That's an automatic car. That's the only thing that I think of when I'm buying a car. I like to drive it like a kart and not to have do everything here. Some space between me and the car. So I could show you how the steering is of this car in the corner next. Let's see if we can do a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. It's possible here. It was for sure not the best 0 to 100. It was not very comfortable, but yeah, I don't think this type of car is built for this kind of stuff. As you can see in my previous videos, I have done a Volkswagen GTI. That car is made for this type of stuff, but yeah, it can do it, but not very fast. stop here. As you can see here, the gear changing. Let's get out. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know on Instagram what cars you want to see on my channel. And see you on the next week's video. Thanks for watching.